Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie Jean. If you're new here and if you're returning, hey girl, how you doing? Today we're going to get into this affordable glam makeup look in partnership with Revlon. Using products that are not only going to give you a beat that's blended to the gods, but it's also going to improve your skin over time. So can't beat that with a bad sis. We're starting off today's makeup look with the Revlon ColorStay Grip Matte Primer, and I'm applying this everywhere to mattify the skin a little bit. My skin is oily and the foundation is a little bit on the dewier side, so this helps to give me that natural radiant glow that lasts all day without it getting too shiny. Now this is my girl, the Revlon Illuminance Skin-Caring Foundation. This is my new boo, okay? She has my skin glowing. She has my foundation giving very much so skin. I love that for me. I'm kind of obsessed. Let's get into the details. Okay, so I'm in the shade 417 right now. I just got back from vacation, so I'm not quite my winter shade, but I'm not quite my summer shade either. I would say it's like a true skin tone shade for me. And most importantly to me, it includes skincare ingredients like 5% squalene and hyaluronic acid, which really helps to deeply hydrate and moisturize the skin, blur imperfections, and give you that really nice, like radiant, almost dewy look. She's gorgeous. Over time, the appearance and elasticity in your bare skin improves, and it helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 4 weeks. And baby, I just turned 29, so we're very much so in our preventative care era. Now, my little secret trick that I feel like really adds something to the look is contouring my face using the same foundation in a deeper tone. So my skin tone shade was 417 and I'm contouring with 605, and it blends to perfection. Now, all of my blush girlies, run, do not walk to go and get this Gel Serum Blush by Revlon in the color Striking Rose. When I tell you it is chef's kiss, it is so pretty. It applies really dewy and kind of sheer without picking up your foundation under it, and it just gives you like this really sheer wash of color that looks really, really pretty. It's formulated with superfood complex and glycerin, so it hydrates the skin and helps it to retain moisture, really adding to that glow. So I'm not mad at it, and it's also another color. It's like a purple berry color. I might do another look for you guys and show you that color because she eats too. But right now, the Striking Rose is just like my girl. I have literally been wearing it every day. Now I'm going in with a little bit of concealer that really kind of blends everything together, makes everything pop and really like, just does something to the look. I'm using the Revlon ColorStay Skin Awaken 5-in-1 concealer in the shade 060 just to kind of add a little bit of like height and volume to the face with the concealer. And then I'm going back in with that same concealer in a lighter shade. I'm using 050 and I'm applying that right in the inner corner under my eye for that like bright oomph. And once we have all of our creams placed, I'm going in with a little bit of loose powder to set the entire face. First, I go in with a small setting brush and kind of loosely set the face. I apply a little bit of bronzer, and then I go in with a powder puff and bake under my eyes to get that really bright look. And I kind of go back and forth with my bronzer and my loose powder, adding depth, taking it away, until I have all of the shadows and everything exactly where I want them. My face is sitting how I want it to sit, okay? Sitting nice and pretty. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of powder blush. This is the Revlon powder blush in the color Very Berry. It's like a nice matte deep berry color. It looks gorgeous on my complexion. I think it would also look really, really good on my like chocolatey girls. She's scrumptious. I love to apply my blush while my under eye is still baking because it really blends everything together. It looks nice and seamless and just like almost angelic. I don't know how to explain it. It just really, really blends perfectly when I do it like that. Now we are coming to the edge, honey. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows a little bit with the ColorStay Micro Brow Pencil. And this is in soft black. I'm cleaning up those brows with a little bit of concealer before I go in with this cute little eyeshadow quad. It's the Revlon ColorStay Day to Night eyeshadow quad in Decadent. It's really pinky, goldy, some really nice brown tones, and I'm using this for my eyeshadow look today because your girl don't really do eyeshadow like that, so I like to do a nice bronzy, shimmery eye. A little pop of pink ain't never hurt nobody. We're not taking it to the moon. I'm very much here for the soft girl makeup. I'm applying a little bit of the Revlon ColorStay Multiplayer Liquid Glide Eye Pencil in Checkmate. It's like a sparkly black color in my waterline and blending it out to get a cute little smudgy wing. To highlight the face, I'm going in with the Revlon SkinLights Prismatic Highlighter in the color Daybreak Glimmer. Oh my god, she is pretty. And for the lip today, we're keeping it cute, keeping it nice and simple. She was really cute for Valentine's Day. This is the ColorStay Longwear Lip Liner in the color Chocolate. I'm applying her a little generously, I'm not gonna lie. I went ahead and overlined a little bit in the center of my lip, up top and on the bottom. And then I'm going in with the Super Lustrous Lip Gloss in the color Crystal Clear. It's a really clear gloss. And I'm applying that over top of that liner in my natural lip to just give a really nice blended rosy lip. To set everything, I'm going in with the Revlon ColorStay Lock 24 Hours Setting Mist. And I hit that with my fan to make sure that everything was nice and dry before we went ahead with the mascara. I'm using the ColorStay Extensionaire Waterproof Mascara in Black is Black. And to take the look up one more notch, I went in with some small little lash clusters and I put a 14, 12, and 10 on the end of my lashes to get that like winged cat eye look. And this is the finished look. Do we love it? How do we feel about the foundation? What do we think about the blush? All the details about the products that I used in today's video will be down below in the description bar, so you guys can go ahead and check it out, as well as any links that I have, and I will see you in my next video. Bye boo.